If you have an aggravated DWI or an A1 DWI, you probably just need to stop listening to this video and give me a call right away. An aggravated DWI offense is any DWI where you have at least 3 grossly aggravating factors. The law considers various things to be either grossly aggravating or aggravating factors. Some of the grossly aggravating factors include serious injury to someone as a result of your offense of DWI, having a person in the car under the age of 18, having a physically handicapped person in the car, having a person whose mental capacity is under the age of 18, having prior convictions for DWI within the prior 7 years of the date of your offense, and having a license revoked for a DWI conviction or an impaired driving offense. Aggravating factors include blowing a .15 or greater on a breath test, especially reckless or dangerous driving, negligent driving leading to a reportable accident, your attitude and the way you handled yourself with the officer. So there are different things between an aggravated level A1 DWI and just aggravating factors.